Okay, so we're nearly done. You can see this is our last strand, so we're going to finish this and then it's done. So again, we mix the colors. There's some plain black here, mixed here, and then this is also mixed. So I've taken the strand in my hand and then braid it in, hold it in, lift the other side up, because I don't like it crossing. That's why I lift it so it's not showing. And then I carry on with my braiding and braid. So this is just the one, call it like a branch. This is one side of the strand and this is the other side. So I still braid that in a bit more so it stabilizes, because if not, what will happen is it will start pulling. And as I'm braiding, again I take some hair and add to wherever it's getting smaller. This is just the regular braiding part. Yes, so now I'm happy to drop off my second strand, and again you try and just push it to where you want it to be. I want it on this side, so that's here now. And then I carry on my braiding. So this is just like 3 braid plaits if you ever did try that. If not, this is what we're doing. Just put the hair in, take out some strands, and that's it. But the beauty of the messy bohemian box braids, if you want to call it that, or goddess braids, is it doesn't have to be the same texture of hair. It has to be just something different. So any texture will do, any other texture will do, but in this case we're going with wavy hair. So we pushed all the natural hair in. Now we want to finish the tips with the wavy hair still. So wavy hair will finish the tips, and you insert it from a distance, especially when the hair is long. You want it to be longer than the hair you're adding in, or the braided hair you're working with. So in this case I definitely push it in so it blends in nicely. Now you can see me braiding it off. And that's what I completely braid off until I get to the end when the straight hair is nearly done. Then I knot it. So we're gonna end here. Thank you so much for watching. You're gonna see our model show it off in pictures. We'll show you the pictures. And remember to like our video if you like it. Thumbs up. Remember to share it with your friends if you want them to get to know how this is done. All the extensions we used are our brands, so you can always order yours. We'll put the link again in the description box. Our braids, our extensions for braiding are always pre-ready. All you do is tell us the length you're looking for and we'll get it there for you. We also make a big deal of mixing colors, so if you're into colors, we are quite good at that. So we create the colors to suit you, unique colors, made to order colors in braiding. So all of those are here with us. Bundles of joy. So see that it's finished off, and then we knot it. So once you've knotted, then you take the little bit and you knot it again. So remember, the texture of the curly hair will be what you choose. Could be really bold texture, it could be tight cut texture, loose texture, and that's that. And here goes the hair that you added in. So again, clients love to see the braided parts hanging out more than the loose hair over it. See that? Remember, we mixed colors, we mixed brown and black. So that's it. So what I'm gonna do now is just look at the full length of the hair, and then I'll just trim away any parts that's just craggy. Just give it a nice smooth trim. And care for this hair, it's just make sure you're not spraying anything into this hair. Lots of people have this habit of spraying things into their hair. You don't need any sprays. If you must spray braided hair, just spray your scalp, not the hair extension. It does not need any products. All you do is just finger comb it. Just kind of like pull your hands through, and if you find any part is knotted, you just release that part. And that's it. That's it, all done. So we hope you loved it, and you're gonna try this out. So try it. I would like to see your pictures as always. Just see how it's going for you. Remember to share it, like it, and the volume you create is down to you. So we didn't want too much volume in this hair, so you could have added more wavy hair if you wanted too voluminous. But again, don't forget that the whole beauty of this is to show your braids. So thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.